Hello and welcome to this channel Think with Taj. This is going to be lecture number 7 about the types of democracy. So, the introduction is if you are going to prepare for any government examination like UPSC, state PCS or SSC, then this channel is going to be your learning partner. Because here I am simplifying the complex concepts like polity, geography, history, and economics and current affairs, so that your preparation is going to be very smooth and handy. So, in this lecture, that is the lecture number 7, we are going to discuss about the types of democracy. In this previous lecture, we are already discussed about what do you mean by democracy, autocracy, and monarchy. So here we are going to discuss about the democracy. So democracy is generally divided into two types. One is direct democracy. One is indirect democracy. In the direct democracy, if there is a village, let's say the villagers are living here, they decided to organize a cricket match. So that in order to decide a cricket match, they will need a team in order to play the cricket. So they directly said that one villager said that this will be your team, this will be your team. So the people are directly elected a team of 12 members. This is case of the direct democracy. But in case of indirect democracy, if there is a village, let's say the villagers are living here, they elected a captain and this captain elected a team. This is the indirect democracy because here the captain is directly elected the team, not the villagers. Okay, so the captain is the middleman here. So this is the form of indirect democracy. Now, if you are directly diving deeper into the direct democracy are various types. The key feature of the direct democracy is here people elect directly. People read whatever they want. Okay, there is no middleman here. In case of cricket team, there is no captain here. Okay, people will decide who will going to be bat, who will going to be ball, who will going to be field. Okay, so types of democracy, the types of direct democracy is number 1 is referendum. In case of referendum, let's say this is an example like these people who are going to elect a team to play the cricket, now they people vote on the stadium change. This is the meaning of the referendum. That means people are vote on the stadium change. That means now if this is the subject, people vote on the stadium change. Now people have one option, yes or no. In this subject, in case of referendum, some people say yes, let the stadium change. Some people say no, let the stadium change. More, let's say there is 50 people, then 30 people say yes, change the stadium. 20 people say no, don't let the stadium. Then the majority is 30. That means here the stadium will be changed. The stadium will be changed. This is the referendum. Referendum means there is a take. What is your take on? Yes or no? That means in a referendum. This is exist in the direct democracy. Okay. So another time is initiative. The word itself said there should be some initiation. There should be some initiatives. Initiatives. Now the people. Same example. Now the people propose a new chairman. People propose a new chairman. So in this initiative, some people say yes, some people say no. Let's say the majority people said yes, then the song will be changed. This is the initiative. In case of referendum, fan wants to change the fundamental things. That means they want a new stadium, they want some new equipments. But in case of initiative, can propose some milder things. Can propose if you change the new chair song or not. Then majority said yes, then the propose new chair song. Then the song will be changed. Then this is the initiative. So after the referendum, after the initiatives, now the number 3 is recall. Now people realized that whatever the villagers elected team, the captain is not performing well. Okay, they elected the team directly and they decided who is the captain. Now they decided that the captain is not performing well. So they directly remove the captain without any formal impeachment process. Okay, directly remove the captain. This is called recall. Okay, and it is also possible in the direct democracy. This is the possible in direct democracy. Directly remove the captain as well. So this is the recall. One more thing possible is plebiscite. Plebiscite, now people decided change the jersey color. Now jersey color is a very major issue. It is a major issue. So people exercise their vote. Okay, some will say yes, some will say no. I get some majority yes, then the jersey color will be changed. So this is plebiscite. That means voting on a very major issue. That means the jersey color. So if you summarize, then this is referendum, which initiative, this is recall, this is plebiscite. Okay. In case of referendum, they wants to change the stadium. In case of initiative, they wants to change the anthem. In case of recall, is a very major and bold step. They wants to change the captain. You get my point or not? This is the level of sensitivity. The level of sensitivity. Okay. The level of sensitivity gradually increases. Level of sensitivity or level of majority. Major issue gradually increases. Anthem. In case of plebiscite, now they want to change the jersey color. This is the difference, key difference between the referendum, initiative, recall, and plebiscite. This is all is the tool of what? Direct democracy. Tool of direct democracy. These are the types of direct democracy. Now we are going to discuss about indirect democracy. Indirect democracy is simple. There is a village, they want to organize a cricket match, so the cricket team will be elect a captain. This captain will now elected a team and they will be elected the cricket. So captain is the middleman, so this will be indirect system. So this is going to be the indirect democracy. Indirect democracy generally seen in USA, UK. We already know that the parliamentary form of system existed in indirect election. If you know did not watch the lecture, then you go and watch the lecture, parliamentary form of government and presidential form of government. So this lecture is about the direct and indirect democracy. Let's see the slide and in the direct democracy, I am already citing the example here so that it will be for you. In case of direct democracy, a system where people themselves directly participate in decision making without elected representative. That means without any captain. Select the team. Example of Switzerland and set regions. Then so this is the command here. See, I am here the example of the story. The cricket man who make the rules. So referendum. Fans vote on the stadium change. I'm already example. That is the sensitivity here is fans want to vote on the stadium change. The club management asks all the fans to vote yes or no whether to shift the stadium location, meaning people vote directly to accept or reject a specific proposal or law. Here people vote directly to accept or reject a specific proposal or law. Okay. This is case of referendum. Then you can see the initiative. Initiative means citizen propose new law and policies and vote upon them. That means here it is fans propose a new cheersome. So it is a new law, new policy, and people should be vote on them. It is called as initiative. Okay. Then you can see recall. Recall means citizen vote to remove an elected official before the term ends. Recall means PAM remove the team captain. Here this is a more major issue. So citizen vote to remove an elected official before the term ends. It is the meaning because citizens vote to remove an elected official before the term ends. It's called as the recall. Then it is one more thing is left here. It is the plebiscite. Plebiscite means the public vote on important matter. It is very important here because the jersey color is here. Example can decide to change the team official jersey color. So public vote on important matter, special territorial or political issue. So that plebiscite means and change the jersey color. The fan vote to exercise their opinion on a major issue. It is also a major issue, sometimes non legally binding, just to know the public sentiment. Example, 1947 Jammu Kashmir accession. So it is done by the plebiscite. Some say yes, we reside in Kashmir. Some say no, then it will be decided by the plebiscite. It is very major issue. The level of sensitivity gradually increases from the referendum to initiative, recall to plebiscite. So the level of sensitivity, level of major issues are gradually increasing. Referendum means people are know the issue and know how to address. The initiative, new law are proposed. The recall, they want to remove the leader. Okay, in the plebiscite, they want to vote upon the major issue in order to stay or not. Okay, so direct democracy types in a summary. The referendum, people approve, meaning is here. This is the one-liner definition. This will be going to be help in your examinations. Okay, referendum means people approve or reject a proposed law. Initiative means people propose a new law. Recall means people remove an elected official before the term ends. Plebiscite means public opinion vote on the major issue upon political territory. Example, Brexit, California, and Jammu and Kashmir accession. This is the way we're going to be a great example. Jammu Kashmir accession is on the plebiscite. Indirect democracy, you know, the captain is existed here, a system where people elect representatives. Here it is the captain of the team to make the decision on their behalf. It is in India, USA, and UK. So this will be going your basic conceptual polity. Now in the further lecture, we are going to discuss about the political theories. Thank you so much. Thank you.